Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Chevy Silverado oil change light. First, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, use the steering wheel controls to find the oil life display on your instrument cluster. Once you see it, press and hold the Set/Reset button for several seconds. You will see the oil life percentage reset to 100%, confirming the successful reset. This method is common for many models. Another effective way to reset your oil change light involves the accelerator pedal. Begin by turning your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Then, fully depress the accelerator pedal to the floor and release it 3 times within a quick 5-second window. After performing these steps, turn the ignition off. When you restart your engine, the oil change light should be off, indicating a successful reset. For some Silverado models, you might use the Driver Information Center, or DIC, buttons. Start by turning your ignition to the on position, but keep the engine off. Locate the Info button on your dashboard and press it repeatedly until the oil life display appears. Once it's visible, press and hold the Enter button for a few seconds. The oil life percentage will then reset to 100%, completing the process. Remember, resetting the oil light should always follow an actual oil and filter change, not replace it. Your owner's manual provides the most accurate and specific instructions for your particular Silverado model, so always refer to it first. If the oil light remains on after attempting these resets, it could indicate a more serious mechanical issue that requires professional attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.